that moon is gonna be red. And we're gonna take a video of it. That's for sure. This is Falcon County Park. It's similar to a BLM where everything is basically free. Here, what they have is free water and free dump, and the limit is none. You can enjoy this all winter long. Not highly recommended for summers, since today is March 12th and it hit 101. Tomorrow expected 99, and the day after 106. And we are in March. So summer wouldn't be a very good idea to come out and enjoy this blistering hot desert. Here you'll have all kinds of folks. You have a big motorhome back there. You have people just in their Suburbans, their cars. Converted buses, like this one here. Another motorhome behind it. Fifth wheel farther back there. Over here you have pop-up trailers, a pickup truck, and you have the office straight ahead. So, right about there is the office. Right now it's about 91 degrees, but with no sun, it feels fairly cool, very comfortable. Here in a few minutes, it'll be dark, but it'll still be in the 80s. So, if you don't have a generator to keep you cool, you're gonna be a little warm. But expected cold temperature in the morning is about 62 degrees. So it's not that bad. Like I said, a little bit of everything out here. Oh, and they also have free washers and dryers right there, and showers. Can't beat any of that. Sounds pretty good to me. I don't need any of that, but it's here for the taking if you need it. There's a little pavilion there where you can hang out, probably play cards or something. This is for hanging your clothes right here. They have a dump station out that way. There's a water tower. We're out here taking a walk, and you can see that the road here is dirt, but it's well kept up. You have some that look like they've been here a little bit long, like this guy. Been here a little long, but he doesn't have any trash laying around. So in this area is the dump station. Also fairly clean. I didn't see any trash anywhere in this area. And it wasn't stinky either. And you can see the sunset finishing off there. Beautiful colors. In the background of the dump station. Again, there's the Falcon Dam water tower. There's a subdivision just on the other side of those trees. The subdivision over here, the edge of the fence, on the other side of the water tower. They do have some picnic tables and some grills. Doesn't look like anybody really uses the grills or the picnic tables. At one time, I'm sure they were nice, but time has taken their toll on these. They're kind of worn out now, a little dilapidated. Nonetheless, it's all free. That's our setup right there. With the moon right up above us.